Oh, bless you. Hey, sweet boy. What are you doing? Are you kicking? No, your diaper's too big for you. Exactly, what are you doing? You're moving. Hi.